The fact that I do it every time and it works every time, you only need this, and a little bit of this. Continue watching this video. You did it again, girl. You did it again. So for the past 8 years, I would say, I've been struggling with traction alopecia. And I've been to consultation after consultation, and my only option was to get hair transplant. So I said, I will not do that. If I could show you guys what my hair looked like before, this was once this. So yeah, I have a method that I've been using for years to figure out how to make my edges look like how they were without having to go through the whole hair transplant. So I have been doing this method for years, and I'm finally perfecting it to where you cannot tell me nothing. Okay, so if you guys want to follow the same method, this is perfect for updos, this is perfect for everyday looks, this is perfect for just wanting your hair to look a little bit fuller with any hairstyle that you have. I guarantee you are going to be amazed at the results when you guys figure out how to make your edges look full and thick and luscious with just 3 products that you can buy at the beauty supply store. So without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching in advance, and let's get on with the video.
Okay, so to start out, you want to make sure that you start with a clean foundation. Get the edge control gone, get the grease gone, get everything gone, the gel, everything before applying the powder. Now that the area is prepped and ready to go, I'm going to go in with some micellar water on a napkin. Pretty simple. Now I've had this one powder for about a year, so I like to shake it up, but if you just bought yours, you don't have to do that. I like to use all the product in my bottle before I buy another one, literally because this is all I use and it's just that good. And then while applying to the sparse area, coat your hair with hairspray, any that you have at this point, and let it sit for about 4 to 6 seconds or so, and then apply the powder. It may tell you to apply 1 to 2 inches away for better overall coverage, but this is how I do it. I pack it on the first time and then comb it all the way to the back. Do what works for you. I feel like the more you do it, you'll create your own ways of doing it and it'll work for you. I would apply this maybe 1 to 2 inches away if it was an updo. Now keep in mind, layer it to your liking. If it's too dark, pat some off and go lighter. If it's not dark enough, spot correct with an eyeshadow brush. I spray that same hairspray on it and I dip it in the powder and apply it in specific areas. As you can see, I have 2 spots, one in the upper and one in the lower, so I'm filling those parts in, and it may take a little bit more layering. I don't like my edges looking like one straight hairline at all, so I make small tiny little circles or pats or strokes, I would say, just so it can give it that natural look and that blended look. Here's a quick little story time. As I've gotten older, I realized how much I love simplicity, and doing it this way really simplified my life, because I used to fill my edges with wet products and I would say creamy products, and all it did was just leave me with washing my hair too many times than necessary. And with my hair being in either a sew-in, a quick weave, or clip-ins, I need to know that what I do today can at least take me into tomorrow effortlessly. And this method, I dare say, still has some room to be perfected. Works for me because it simplifies a lot of extra things I would used to do when I did it the other way. Now, this part is optional because yes, in the previous clip, I now seem like a contradiction, but let me tell you, a little bit of edge control won't hurt because the hair is already set with hairspray. The powder is not going anywhere. It's not falling off of your shoulders with every head turn. It's good and set, and you'll see me test it right here. But me swooping the edges is just a little razzle dazzle, partially habit, but I don't care how old I get. The edges must be swooped some way, little or a lot. Edges will be swept like a wave on a California beach. But yeah, that is how you do it. We got our edges back. No more looking like we literally lost a fight. We got our edges back. Let me stop. But thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, and this is the part where I just start to ramble because I thought my voiceover was gonna be equivalent to the amount of time that's on this video, but I kind of like did it a little earlier and I have nothing but time left. So yeah, anywho, I want you guys to see the video that I have coming out next, so stay tuned for that. has a little bit something to do with sweat. But yeah, bye.